The human person is created in the likeness of the Creator, and certainly this likeness is complete. Though let's face it, it is not perfect, and therefore subject to some possible enhancements. And ang kasama po natin ngayon ay isang doktor na ang espesyalisasyon ay ang pagpapaganda ng panlabas na kaanyuan para naman mabigyan ng epekto sa panloob na paniniwala sa ating sarili. Dr. Jim Sanchez? Hi, Doc.
Hi, Carl.
Gaano ka-importante sa isang tao ang panlabas na kaanyuan?
Well, sabi nga nila, beauty should be inside and also outside.
Anong parte ng mukha ang madalas gustong ipaayos, lalo-lalo ng mga Pilipino?
Okay, kung titingnan mo yung mukha ng tao, ang pinaka-center alin?
Ilong.
It is the nose. This is the center.
So pag tumingin ang isang tao sa mukha ng isang tao, ang attraction nasa gitna.
Nasa ilong.
At ang nagpapagawa nito hindi lang naman kababaihan, maging mga kalalakihan.
Pati kalalakihan, no? Hindi na katulad ng dati tinatago yan.
At hindi na kagaya ng dating mga artista lang ang nagpapagawa.
Yes, may karapatan lahat.
Lahat. Dahil ginawa na siyang affordable.
Yes.
How affordable is affordable?
Well, it can range from, I would say, 15 to 80,000. Depende sa gusto ng pasyente. At saka, siyempre, meron din kami tinatawag na socialized plastic surgery.
At saka depende sa pangangailangan.
Yes.
Na ayusin.
Kasi nga, ang belief namin, may karapatan ng lahat na gumanda o gumuwapo.
That's great. That's great.
Ang key dito is, number one, anong gusto ng pasyente?
Yun.
Okay? Kung saan magiging happy ang pasyente. Number two, dapat gawin mo, the number one priority mo, safe ba yan sa pasyente?
Okay.
Short term and long term. Then number three, bagay ba ito sa pasyente? And achievable ba ito? Kasi huwag kang mangangako sa pasyente.
Yeah.
Sasabihin mo lang sa kanya, number one, I would like to listen to you kung ano gusto mo. Number two, will it be safe, short term and long term?
Yeah.
And then, number three, aesthetic-wise, because I am supposed the expert,
Yeah.
no? Because I have done a lot of patients, I can recommend to you anong babagay sa'yo.
Hi, Rain. Handa ka na ba?
Handa na.
So, Rain, ano ang nagtulak sa'yo para magpa-rhinoplasty?
Ayun, kasi nakakababa ng self-confidence at saka self-esteem kasi lahat ng tao, yung napupunan nila pag nakikita nila ako yung nose ko. And I don't know why, pero ayun, it made me decide to have rhinoplasty.
Oo, ganyan talaga mga babae. Kailangan mas maganda palagi sa tingin ng mga tao. Anyway, yung bakit, sa tingin mo, ano ang magiging effect nito sa'yo paglabas mo?
I hope tumaas yung confidence ko after nito at saka sana lang yung mga tao pag nakita nila ako hindi na yun yung mapunan na sa akin.
Sabihin
yung
nila,
overall package
wow,
na.
Lorraine, ang ganda-ganda mo.
Anong mensahe mo, Doc, sa mga Pilipino na nagtsatsaga sa ilong nila o nagtsatsaga sa itsura nila na kaya pala naman nilang mas maging confident at mas maging maganda yung paningin niya sa sarili niya?
Well, hindi dahil ito ang aking linya. But if I have my way and I have the means, I'll have my nose fixed.
By Dr. Jim.
By Dr. Jim.
Of course, you cannot do your own. But what's beautiful is the hope you're giving people about some, let's say, imperfections that they have.
Kasi alam mo, yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, makapagpasaya ka ng kapwa mo. And I would say na this is a safe procedure. If you feel you want to have it done, it is safe, it is affordable, it is not painful, why not?
Take it from the author of the book Oriental Rhinoplasty and the author of now best-selling, which is all about local anesthesia, Dr. Jim Sanchez, whose expertise is not only to make your procedure beautiful for you, but to make it in the best standards of medical and ethical practice that you can think of.
ang iyong ilong, mata, at mukha ay meron pang igaganda. Yan ang tinatawag na enhancement.
And why not if you can actually afford to buy a car that you cannot bring anywhere you go, or accessories that are far more expensive, why don't you enhance something in your physical attributes that after all, we're not created perfect. And I'm most willing to do that. Ikaw ba, partner?
Oo, gusto ko, partner. Siyempre, kailangan mas gumanda pa ako.
Come and join us to meet a doctor and what he does to bring out the best in people, at least initially physically, but eventually holistically. Beauty inside out here at Thumbs Up.